introduction, due to the conflict related to the water resources, especially the groundwater resources around the world today, this topic is a big issue. For that, this study focused on determining the combination and the accuracy of the geophysical investigation with the hydrogeology, the combination hydrophysical investigation to define how accurate in the groundwater management related to the wells and hydrogeology. The conduction different type of research without, for example, we have hydrogeophysical investigation and other type of research, water quality. All of them belong to this type of research. The area, as you see here, is the satellite image located the southeast of the Suleimani city, about 40 kilometers far away, and northwest of the Zaran town. The area is relatively small because we selected based on the geophysical lines, geophysical cross section. That's why we selected the small area around the Zaran field. The main goals for this research to investigate the groundwater potential to work or to have a good ground management or groundwater resource management in the area, and to investigate and find the accuracy of the groundwater level management by geoelectrical method. And the third one is compared between the geophysical investigation or hydrogeophysical investigation and how will it match the borewell cross-section or borewell profiles. I don't know why. About the geology and the tectonic setting, as you see, according to the Joseph and Goff 2006, the area is located unstable shelf, and especially in between the imbricated zone and the high fold zone. About the geology area, we are working in the big basin called Suleimani Shallow Basin. So the geology of the area, the formation profile range from the Jurassic up to Quaternary deposit. But in the study area, just the Tundra formation, Campani Maastrichtian, and recent deposit is scoped out. About hydrogeology of the area, as I mentioned before, we have the big basin. Due to the complexity of this basin, that's why Ali 2007 divided this big basin called Piramal Shallow Basin into 4 basins. We are working in the second basin called Arbat Zaran South Basin. The characteristic of these basins, as you see, we have many streams there. For example, Tanjaro stream and Chakan stream and the other ones, Abrama streams. All of them flowing toward the David Khan Reservoir. Data and methods. Unfortunately, due to the lack of the to having good data previously, so we cannot be sure that 100% the data is accurate. So for that, we have to go into the field and checking the data for just to check the uncertainty. The method and the data, we have collection from the groundwater directorate. We have web profiles. And the field work, as you see there, we did the geoelectrical survey and the hydrogeological survey as well. The office work including interpretation of the geoelectrical data and the laboratory analysis is called acoustic analysis. As I mentioned, related to the water quality. Result and discussion. The obtained data from the geophysical or geophysical methods, I will talk about the data in the next slides. I mentioned, the water quality is also belong to the groundwater management of the general water resource management. As you see there, we did the water quality analysis for the sample from the wells that we got.